Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Kevin in Ohio on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Kevin, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, unlock the clarifier, wideband receive mods, you name it, we got it. And you picked up one of these static 636 mics, which work very well with these. Let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. It's set 25 watts all the way down. Let me mute my monitor radio that we always listen to everything last on after we get done checking everything out here on the spectrum and scope. Let's roll the carrier all the way up. Just a hair past 125, which is a very safe level as well. I'll show you average power swing. So 250 bird average, I'm sorry, 225. 1000 watt slug in PEP. No 500 watt slug. Well, here's why. Hello, 590, maybe 600. Throw the RF power all the way down just in case you're gonna run an amp. Hello, still a good 590. All right, Kevin, it's ready to come to you, bud, to the Buckeye State. From your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.